Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to Vlogmas day, what are we on? 16?
56.
I don't know what day I'm on. Whatever, it'll be in the title. It is Sunday morning today. Well, actually, no, it's afternoon. I am starting this vlog a lot later. Ooh, that was bright. Anywhoosie, just had a lazy morning this morning. Didn't sleep in or anything. I didn't end up going to bed until, what was it, 1 o'clock or something the morning prior. And or this morning I should say. And I fully thought I was gonna sleep in, but I didn't. Well, I did sleep in for me, but I was up and out of bed just before 8. Sean put his flowers that he got me in a vase. Aren't they beautiful? I love the color pink. So gorgeous. And then we've just been hanging out this morning. I rewatched Disney's The Kid, which was one of the things that got me inspired to become an image consultant, like way back in the day. Or what made me aware of the career, I should say. And we've just been hanging out. I showered. I just stuck my hair in this whatever thing with the scrunchie, brown scrunchie at the top. And I'm literally wearing all brown today. Cords, like turtleneck, everything. Whatever. It's all obviously feeling the color today. Anyway, Sean and I are going to be grocery shopping. We're putting together a loose grocery list right now. I think it's gonna be a fairly low-key day. We do need to tidy up our house. It looks like an absolute freaking disaster right now. Like that's a house coat I've got hanging, or like coffee table's a mess. I've got to do laundry. So it's just like one of those errands / get your life together for the week ahead. So yeah, it'll be interesting. And I don't really know what else we're gonna do today. I don't really know what else to tell you guys. I'll show you my outfit like properly a little bit later, but I'm gonna finish putting together the grocery list with Sean. And you guys can come grocery shopping with us. How exciting. Hello, beautiful people. Sean and I are en route to the grocery store. How exciting. And I'm so pissed. I just found a bunch of social posts on Instagram where other influencers and personal stylists, which tisk literally took my copy from my Instagram and other posts that I've put up on my social feeds, and literally word for word took my shit and then just tweaked the odd word and put it on theirs. Shame on you. That's so tacky. I'm glad people get inspired or like what I write, but come on up with your own stuff. Don't just change my words, not give me credit for it, and then use it on your own stuff. That is so incredibly tacky. Anyway, so I reported the profile and post for copyright, and I know Instagram takes that shit really seriously, so I can't wait for that to be removed. But come on. If you just want to use it and quote me, that's fine, but don't take it and make it you came up with the post and the content and the ideas. Come on. All business owners need to come up with their own things and their own voice. Don't steal someone else's stuff. It's, oh, so crazy. Anyway, mini rant. Sorry, this lighting's really bad. Anyway, we're gonna hop into the grocery store. I'm not gonna show you guys a grocery haul only because you guys saw kind of what Sean and I picked up last time. But Sean is cooking chili tonight, so I'll show you guys his chili. It does have more heat to it, but it's so good. So if you guys are not someone that can handle spice, then of course just adjust some of the.
Turn this vlog off, yeah. Just stop.
But just adjust the spice accordingly. But it's so good, you're really gonna want it. So I'm excited to show you guys that recipe later.
Adjustments.
Shush.
You must do as I do if you are willing to do.
Anyway, we're about to pull in now, so I'll show you guys what we get. This is what I always get for tacos. So good. It does make your tacos spicy though. But sometimes we get the regular taco spice as well. But oh my god, this one's so good. Highly recommend.
Back home again to this little smiling face. Oh, back home again to this cute little face. My honey. What? Well, no, it's not that time yet. No, we have a few hours to go still. Yeah, you're a good girl. You good little girl. My honey bunny. Are we gonna snuggle this afternoon? Are we gonna snuggle? What? I know you want to snuggle now, but we're putting groceries away. Yes, in a minute.
So I've been unpacking the groceries and I just started cooking up that because Sean and I always pick up a rotisserie chicken every week because we throw it in like lunches, sandwiches, sometimes we use it at dinner or whatever for easy meals. And Jasmine started crying and I couldn't figure out like what her deal was because I thought she just wanted like dinner early. And then I realized she could smell the chicken because this has become our little weekly routine where I share some of the chicken with her as I'm cutting it up, like when it's still hot. So that's what she was crying about. So look at who's at my feet.
Are you mommy's helper, honey? Yes, I know. Would you like another little piece? Sit. Sit. Well, that's not sitting. Oh, there we go. Sit. Hey, you gotta keep sitting. Sit. Oh, down the extra mile. Good girl. Here you go, honey. Oh, so nice. Oh, was that so good? Should we give you one more? Okay, that's gonna be the last one, okay? Okay, this is the last little piece. Here we go. Good girl. I love you, honey.
And I think I showed you guys that Katie got me this gift yesterday. I love Christmas ornaments. So let's find a cute little spot on the tree, which is, I don't know. Our tree's so full already. There's always room for more. I think I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, beautiful people, it is now later in the afternoon and Sean is going to be making his famous chili. It's 3:30 though because this chili does take longer to create, so this is probably something better for the weekend, or like if you happen to get home early from work and you don't mind prepping it, and then, because it takes what, 2 hours to cook afterwards? Yeah. So give yourself some time. This is not something to do when you've got like 20 minutes or whatever. So Sean's gonna walk you through the recipe. I will have the recipe listed down below. Yeah, or sorry, he's not gonna walk you through it. It'll be like what we did with the soup. So he'll just show you like what he does, but I will have all the details listed in the description box for those of you that want to recreate it. So if you do, let us know, because yeah, some of you have been making like the recipes and loving them so far, including like the dip and what else have we, I don't know, a whole bunch of stuff. I know a lot of you made the meatloaf last year and loved it. So anyway, I'm gonna turn it over to Sean and he can show you what's up.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together, all the way on, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey. Say. Walking around, you and me. Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true.
All right, here is the final product. So good. It is spicy, so you guys can always reduce the heat if you need, but oh my god, so yummy. Hello, beautiful people. My hair's doing crazy things. But let's open today's advent and see what tea we have. Okay, so we are on day 17. Here we go. So we're having, is it Tulsi or Tulsi? Tranquility, I'm not sure how you pronounce that exactly. But let's give this a try. Caffeine free. All right, well, let's see how we do. Okay, angels, moment of truth tea. Oh, it smells very berry oriented or something. Oh, I can't say that I'm gonna like this one. Oh, hit and a miss. That is,
Hit and a miss?
Yeah.
You mean swing and a miss?
Or sorry, swing and a miss. Yeah, that's terrible. That's going in the sink is where that's going. It is not good. I don't even know, I don't remember what like notes were in there. It said it had rose hip, I think, in this one, if I remember like looking on the back ingredient packet correctly, but so not my vibe. Oh, it is totally something I'm not going to drink. So yeah, that one's going to 100% going in the sink. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here because if I'm being honest with you guys, I'm feeling actually like kind of sore, like my shoulders are sore and I'm just not feeling like 100% this evening for whatever reason. So I'm gonna let you guys go and just try and relax and get an early night's rest. It's only 8:30. I mean, not that Sean and I stay up late because we don't, but I'm just not quite feeling myself. So I'm gonna dump this tea down the sink because I don't want it anyway. And I'm probably gonna fold like this bit of laundry that I put here off the side because I cleaned some laundry earlier. And I'm just gonna call it a night. I'm just feeling really uncomfortable, like my shoulders are sore and I'm just not feeling very great. Yeah, so I'm gonna call it a night. So I'm sorry this wasn't very eventful, but remember that if you guys wanna try the chili, I'm gonna leave everything written or linked or whatever down below for whatever I can. But if you guys test it out, then of course, like, please let me know. I know you guys have been enjoying the recipe so far, so I hope the chili is no exception to that rule. But I'm sending you guys all the love to the moon and back, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye, guys.